Cock-a-doodle-doo. You want a cigar? He doesn't smoke.
He's too young.
Hi. Do you have the menu? Guys, look, a peacock. We're at Hotel Nacional, having some pina coladas, smoking a cigar. Life is good. We got the ocean right on that side. Nice fountain. We had a very lucky cigar hunting trip. We picked up quite a few really nice cigars. As you guys know, my favorite, Bolivar Belicoso Fino, picked those up at the fort. Really nice cigars. We also picked up a 25 batch of custom rolls from Cueto, who's everyone knows in the cigar industry. He's one of the master rollers. Really nice cigar, nice open draw, very nice flavor. And then we headed over to the Comodoro Hotel, went to the LCDH there, met the nice ladies, Lua and the rest of them. Picked up some nice cigars there. That's where this BEK came from. Some custom rolls, some nice coffee. Lovely time. Always wanted to come here. I'm really happy we made it this trip. Check out the building behind me. It's really beautiful. It's nice and big. This is the Hall of Fame. All the famous people who've come here have their pictures on here. I'll show you where the mafiosis are. All these actors and stuff. Pretty much in 1959, January 1st, when the revolution took over, they outlawed all the gambling. So all these guys had to run. Luciano was the boss. Mayor Lansky, this hotel, and the other one he was managing it. This Barletta guy, all the other guys. There's my favorite mafiosi, Putin. They put the Chinese president higher than him. Until Putin gets here, then the pictures are going to switch over. The interesting thing about this place, it used to be a place called Santa Clara. When this hotel's built, it used to be a part of a fortress. Had a bunch of cannons surrounding it and like army barracks. Then they turned it into this. Nicely air conditioned here, so it's a good place to have a drink when it's very hot. Son of Jomo Kenyatta, Uhuru Kenyatta. Jomo Kenyatta was the first president of Kenya. His son, many generations later, pretty much took over power. Did an okay job. He was wanted by the Hague and became a president, so they couldn't prosecute him, couldn't harass the guy. Some pretty girls here and there everywhere. Very nice. Spend a little bit more time some other time. Really lovely afternoon here in Havana. Enjoying it. Gonna go see the town. You guys come along. Let's have fun. Cheers, guys. Mr. Malden bankrupt. They've got the Lada there, but it's a new one. You might be a little bit upset. You're gonna have to stick in Russia to see the old ones. Cool place. Heading out. See you soon.
That's the sign. That's the sign. If you see it, it's okay. If not,
party time. That's just a guy on a bicycle. Ice cream salesman. So we're right here at the Capitol building. It's right behind me. Beautiful building. Looks really cool. The area surrounding it's nice. In some time I've noticed that sidewalks and stuff are falling into disrepair. They're all busted. Strong smell of garbage and piss. But still very cool. Cool cars. There's another nice building right over there. Bicycle rickshaw. Impressive to think that this kind of stuff was done back in the olden days. Actually not really.
Yeah.
They do it everywhere, but part of the old Cuban colonial past. Nice that they're using it. Let's go find something else.
Me dicen a lucir Lolo y las vacas
weapons was used in some moment of the revolution. The most important thing is inside the glass over there. You see inside the glass over there?
Yeah.
It's like a yacht.
Yes.
Well, that yacht was used by Fidel and 81 persons came from Mexico.
Yeah.
Because Fidel have to go to Mexico to prepare a group of friends to do the revolution.
Yeah.
That was in Mexico.
Okay.
Then in 56 they came by boat, okay,
Yeah.
by yacht,
Yeah.
okay, on the ground, then to Cuba.
Yeah.
That's when they arrived to Cuba in 56 to the Santiago de Cuba area.
Yeah.
That's where we have more mountain.
Yeah.
Then the revolution started from mountain area to Havana. Is why revolution was from 56 to 59.
Yeah.
Excesos y la fama, lo sé. Yeah. Fierro colorado, viejo.
Guys, this is the main square, St. Francis of Assisi Square. The reason being, there's a church there. It's the original old church. You can see it right here. They actually have a port there. This was the original port to my right for Havana. So they used to bring in whatever they used to bring in, all sorts of cargo and stuff. Interesting story. It's said that they used to bring in slaves in those days right here, and they used to sell them as well as everything else. This was a market area. It's kind of unfortunate because there's a church right behind, but what do you do? That sucks. Anyway, it's a nice place to hang out now. It's kind of gentrified a little bit. There's a restaurant right here. Cafe Orient. Another place right here. The water's just on the other side of this, where all the big ships go. Hola.
Cuba, hey friend, come on, look at here. A los cubanos nos prohíba.
He showed me cigars.
Especial.
So he bought ones.
It's not.
Look at here. Moment.
Yeah.
Look
There's
at
no
here.
date,
Look,
but-
look, look.
Yeah, yeah. I look it.
Ahora. Look, only look. Please, friend. Some 10 cigar.
Yeah.
54 for 40. 40, friend. 48.
I don't need to buy, but I'm just asking. Very nice. Maybe later.
Listen to me. Listen.
Lamp?
Yes.
This one? Yes. Yeah.
Cuba, Maurice.
Maurice.
Maurice, my name.
Yeah.
Friend. Exactly. 25 for the week, my baby.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, my friend.
Mira,
So-
ya le dieron algo a los chiquillos.
¿A quién?
A uno que estaban adelante.
Nick.
Okay, guys, look at that. The city was built by stone,
Yeah.
okay? And then 16th century and 17th century, everything was built in that way.
Yeah.
And to make that the stone, they need cement and sand. But the sand used come from the bay,
Okay.
the ocean. That's why you will see
Yeah.
inside there many corals and fossil inside there.
So
Yeah.
obviously made of coral.
Yeah.
So guys, these walls, guess what? They made of coral. It's pretty cool.
Crazy. I don't know. I see.
Guys, check out this bag. Look at the drawers on that. That's for some giants. They knew we were coming to collect, so they shut the door. Check this out. It's an old printing machine. This place used to be an old print shop. But the family that moved out, they kept some of it, they turned it into a restaurant. Smells pretty good in there, nice pastries. Interesting fact. When you see many of the doors on the building, the bigger the door, the richer the family who lived there. So for example, we saw that other bank there, it had a huge door. Look at this one.
You see, in the years of the revolution, some people that belong to the group of Fidel come here to attack the area, to steal guns, to send to Fidel to help.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that was 5 persons.
Yeah.
That 4 of them died in the attack. That's why that here explain about the guy, the 4 guys that died in that year.
Yeah. This building was actually owned by the DuPont family, so they used to sell armaments here. A lot of history in these beautiful streets.
Bolivar.
Libertador. Simon Bolivar. He went and basically freed all the Americas from all the Spanish, sent them away. Cool guy. My favorite cigar is named after this guy. Bolivar Libertador. Caracas, 1783, and then 1830. Wow. So this hotel is called Ambos Mundos. The thing that's special about it is Ernest Hemmingway lived here for a very long time until he finally decided to get out of here and go back to Key West. It's really cool. They still have the room upstairs there where it's said that they keep it like a museum. Right now it's like a restaurant and hotel kind of thing. Nice sign that they brought here from the olden days. It's pretty cool, right behind me. Next time, my friend.
Not right now, thank you. I already buy some. Looks good, but I already bought some. But it looks good. Looks good. Ciao, man.
In this backyard.
They're all sleeping in there. They even have their water. They got their water bowls and everything. The cats sleeping there with their water bowls. This guy playing music. He's setting the tone, making it like a soundtrack. They made this mural to represent who was living here back in 2004. And so the guy in the center of the balcony is the owner. Legend has it that he was a treasurer for the government in those days, so they were able to host a lot of parties and all that. So the ground floor would be a place where people would have parties. It was kind of a reception area. They'd invite people in, have parties. And then when they retired, the men would go over to the right side, smoke cigars, and the ladies would go over to the left side. Probably talking about the men.
Mailbox.
Ah, that's the mailbox.
Yeah, was using like a mailbox inside it.
That's nice. This is one of the most important main squares. This is the church here, so it's called Cathedral Square. Check out this beautiful church.
Very nice church.
It's a different looking cross up there if you look at it. Design. Spanish influence to it and Moorish architecture that they have in Cordoba and all those places. It's pretty interesting. A bunch of kids just eating lollipops at the church. We had to look at Old Havana, walked around, beautiful place, nice cobblestone streets, nice churches, nice old houses. We're heading out now, a bunch of kids monkeying around on some monument. What better way than to take leave? Guys, I don't know if you can hear this on the camera, but it sounds like a bunch of rattlesnakes down there. And now some birds. So there's the ocean right there, and this is that valley that we told you about that has the native chiefs were pretty much hanging out here. It's border between Mayabeque and Matanzas. So if you head that way, it's Mayabeque. If you head this way, it's Matanzas. Nice little palm trees there, just kind of reaching up to the top of the canopy with their skinny little legs. And the ocean in the background. Sounds like a toucan.
Yeah.
On this side, there's a bunch of beautiful mountains and stuff that you can see in the distance. And palm trees going out. We're gonna head out. We're going back to the hotel, get something to eat, and dance with some pretty girls. Cheers, guys. Peace.
Al cruzar un manso río entre preciosos palmares se oyen los tiernos cantares que salen de tu voz.
That bus will go to Varadero,
Uno a otro se dijeron, esta nena no es de aquí. Y yo, que nunca me escondo, les dije de buena gana, soy Omar Portuondo de Cayo Hueso, La Habana.
Okay, we're back home, sir. We're back here. I enjoyed it. All my day there. We're here with you and you. Take care, guys. Take care, guys.
Peace, man.
Take care.
Peace,
Thank you so
man.
much. Thank you so much, guys.
Dario just dropped us off past the car. A lot of fun. Lots of cigars, some coffee. Now we're gonna get some rum. Let's go.
Let's go.